I've built this entire game using just one single prompt with this AI agent. And this is how the application works. So if you select one of the type here, let me select easy. And if I select any of the card here, let's see. Okay, so these two matched. So it just stayed like that. Let's check this one and I'll check this. So this didn't match. So actually it turned around. Now it is AWS. Let me select this one. Okay, it matched. Okay, so these two didn't match, so it failed. So let me try doing this. So I built this entire game using just one single prompt, and I have also documented the steps that I followed in this GitHub repository. So if you want to build and participate in this Build Games Challenge by AWS, please follow this documentation and you will understand how things work. So for this, there is a simple requirement. You just have to install something called as Amazon Q Developer CLI. So if you do not know how to install, I've documented everything. Please follow the instructions that is already there on my GitHub repository and do that. Or in this video, what we can do is we can build another game using just a single prompt, right? So let's do that. So for that, what I need to do is let me exit out of this game now. So let me clear the screen and come back one directory. Okay. Let me go to my favorite browser and open ChatGPT. And here I want some game ideas, right? So what I'll do is I'll just enter this prompt. So there is a challenge here. If you just follow this link, they have actually opened up a challenge by AWS and it is extended till 30th of June 2025. So if you are watching anytime later, don't worry, try to understand the concepts. Challenge is another part, winning a challenge is another part, but understanding the concepts and learning something out of it is another one, right? So just follow these instructions that are provided here and you will be good to go. So what I'm entering to ChatGPT is that because of this challenge, I want to create a game. Please suggest the game ideas so that I can create a task. Okay. And I will also add one thing called, I want a prompt which can be asked to Amazon Q Developer CLI, which can code all the things for me. Okay, so I'll enter this and it will give me the ideas, and depending on the game that I select, I can actually go ahead and use Amazon Q to build the entire application. So let's do that. So one, it is giving me tech logo logo memory matching game that I just showed you. That is what I've built. And other thing is cloud services quiz application. Other one is DevOps runner, build a cloud simulator, tech waddle. So this is kind of good. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this one. This is the CLI prompt that I want. So what I'll do is I'll go to my favorite editor. So if you are seeing the screen, okay. So here I'm under products folder. So what I'll do is I've already installed Amazon Q CLI on my machine. So you just have to type in Q and type chat, and it will open the chat for you. So you will have to, you will get an interface like this where Amazon Q CLI is already installed. Okay. Now what I will do is whatever the prompt that I've copied, I will just enter it here and it will do the entire magic for you. Okay. So let's see that in action. Okay. It says I'm building the entire thing. It is getting started with the React application first, and it is getting the structure of the application and implementing the game logic. So it will take some time. It will be done within few minutes. If you ask me, you can build the entire application within 10 minutes. It is that easy, right? So let's wait for that to complete, and then we will come back once the application is live, right? So you will face some issues while the code might not work sometime, or the game application might throw an error. So what you need to do simply is that copy and paste the entire error, and it will fix the code as well. Okay, so if you see now, it is asking allow this action. If you want, you can use T to trust, which means that it will always allow. for this tool to use and work on behalf of you. But if you do not want to do that, you can always type N, and if you agree, you can type Y, right? So let's go ahead and type T, and I'll hit enter, and this will actually go ahead and do all the magic for you. Okay, so let's wait for that to complete, and let's see how the game turns out. Again, just letting you know, if you do not know how to install Amazon Q CLI, just follow this documentation. In the step 1 and 2, they have explained as to how you can install it on your Mac or Linux. In Windows, it is slightly difficult, because you will have to go with Windows subsystem for Linux. But for Linux and Mac, it is straightforward. You will have to install it using DMG or the Linux commands. That is straightforward. And this challenge is available, and it is live till 30th of June, and they have extended it till 30th of June. So please, if you build this project, follow these instructions, and you will be getting a t-shirt on behalf of AWS after completing this entire challenge. So as I told you earlier, challenge is one part, but if you're doing this for learning, go ahead, and you don't have any challenge for that, go ahead and build the entire application and see how things work, right? So let's see what has happened on the back end. And if you see, it is already created a folder called Cloud Waddle, and it has also created app.js, all the components, all the utils that is required. Okay, so let's wait for that to complete. And there are a lot of things that you can do with Amazon Q CLI. In fact, I was reading an article where you can even create cloud diagrams using AWS CLI or Amazon Q Developer CLI. So let me know in the comments if you want me to create a video on how to create cloud diagrams or architectural diagrams using Amazon Q CLI. So I'll make sure to do that in the next video. Please do let me know in the comment section. And I am aiming for 100 likes on this video. If I complete 100 likes on this video, I'm going to definitely create a video as to how you can create diagrams just within the prompt. If just using the prompt, all the architecture diagrams on AWS can be developed. So that is straightforward. Do let me know, and 100 likes is what I'm targeting. Now, if you see here, it is still developing. It might take another minute or two. So let's see. I'll get back to you once the application is ready and it is live for us to work, right? So let's wait. Okay, if you see here, the features of the cloud of the game is also there, and it has also given me the instruction as to how to run this game, right? So let's run this game and see how it actually works, right? So before that, if you see here, the game mechanics, there are 6 chances to guess cloud related words, and color feedback for correct letters and positions, green, yellow and gray, on screen keyboard with color indicators, support for alphanumeric alphanumeric input. There are a lot of things that it has given me, so I'm excited to test this. So let's go ahead and test that. In fact, so what I'll do is I'll create another terminal. So I'll just go to this one, and I'll go back and copy all the code that it has given me. Okay, so let me move inside this directly. Okay, so I'll just move inside this directory, and the next thing it has given me is to install npm. So let me copy that command and type that here. So it will take some time. Let's give that moment. And let me also copy the next command, that is to go with npm start, and it runs on http:/localhost 3000. Okay, so let's try doing that. So it is still starting. Let's wait for some time until the npm is installed, right? All right, so it has installed npm. Now let me go ahead and start the npm. So let's see how things work, right? So it is asking me to open this. Okay, so let's see if the game opens. Okay, so if you see here, it has given me this keyboard as well, and it has also given me a daily word, a random word, and things like that, right? So let's try doing this. Okay, I don't know what exactly this game is all about. I have not played it any time. Imagine a agent is developing the entire thing for you. I don't know. I have not played this game anytime before, and that's the reason why I'm struggling. But if you know what is this game all about, do let me know in the comments as well. I will learn that. That's not an issue here, even though I do not know. But imagine how this has really worked in the background, this AI agent, and it has given me the entire code that has built the entire application, and I can even see and use that application. Right? I did not even write a single line of code, and trust me, I do not know a single line in React. Right? So it has done everything for me, and I'm able to write, see the things in action. So that's the power of Amazon Q CLI. Similarly, there are other capabilities with Amazon Q. Do let me know in the chat or in the comment section that what game you are building using this bot or using this agent. So that's all I had for this video. If you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. And do not forget that if you want a next video on how to create the architectural cloud diagrams using Amazon Cloud CLI or Amazon Q CLI, I am targeting 100 likes on this video, and if you comment, I'll definitely create a video on that and share it on my channel in the next video. All right, so that's all. Thank you.